Zepp Flow is getting smarter. Amazfit has begun rolling out Zepp Flow version 2.2.0, bringing a wave of new AI-powered features to one of its latest smartwatches, the Amazfit Balance 2. From more intuitive voice commands to deeper health insights and expanded language support, this update aims to make hands-free control more practical than ever. The update arrives shortly after the Amazfit Balance 2 received firmware version 3.35.0.5. That software update introduced a new rucking workout mode and enhanced BioCharge energy monitoring. Now, Zepp Flow v2.2.0 builds on those improvements by upgrading the watch's AI voice assistant, turning it into a more capable daily companion for workouts, recovery, and productivity. One of the most notable additions is the ability to start a workout and set a goal or reminder using a single voice command. For example, users can begin a run and define a distance or time target without tapping the screen. Zepp Flow can also locate and launch training templates entirely by voice, making structured workouts faster to access. Podcast controls have been added as well, allowing users to play, pause, or manage audio content hands-free during training or daily activities. Another practical upgrade is support for creating multiple countdown timers, ideal for internal workouts, cooking, or managing busy schedules. Together, these features significantly reduce the need for manual interaction with the watch. Health tracking also takes a step forward. With Zepp Flow v2.2.0, users can now ask the assistant to display their BioCharge history. This provides quick insights into energy levels, recovery status, and overall readiness, reinforcing Amazfit's focus on holistic health monitoring rather than just raw fitness metrics. In terms of accessibility, Amazfit has expanded language support by adding Polish to Zepp Flow. This opens up voice control to a wider audience and reflects the company's ongoing efforts to localize its AI features. To access Zepp Flow version 2.2.0, Amazfit Balance 2 owners must be running software version 3.35.0.5. For now, the update appears to be exclusive to this model. While it remains unclear when Zepp Flow 2.2.0 will arrive on other Amazfit wearables, this update marks a clear step forward. With smarter voice control, deeper health insights, and broader language support, Zepp Flow is becoming a more integral part of the Amazfit ecosystem.